Hello again. Welcome to SmartGence training. So this session will be of demo on search layouts, compact layouts, and mini page layout. So firstly, let me navigate to an object account for the demo purpose, and you can see this search layout, compact layouts, and mini page layout. As we have seen in the presentation, it is specific to a page layout, right? So firstly, let's see on a mini page layout. I'm navigating to page layouts, and account layout is the one which is specific to system administrator. So I'm selecting this account layout, and here you can see this mini page layout, right? So when we click on this will navigate us to the page which shows the information on the fields which are selected in the mini page layout. Let me quickly show you how this would look like. As you have seen in the presentation, this again is specific to Salesforce Classic UI. So let me switch to Salesforce Classic UI for just demo purpose. And as we have seen, when we hover over the record, so this is an account record. So when we hover over it, a small window, yeah, you can see this account name, parent account, active, and phone. So these are the one fields which are defined over here. So let's now, for example, let me include a fax and clicking on save and saving the page layout as well. So let me refresh this page again. So now when I hover over this, yeah, you can see the fax, right? Fax being included in the compact page layout. So this is how, I'm sorry, fax in the mini page layout. So this is how mini page layout would work. Then comes the compact layout. Let me close this. Yeah, so compact layout, basically how it would work is as we have seen, let me open a account record. I'm navigating to, give it a minute. Okay. Yeah. Let me navigate to accounts tab. Yep, accounts tab. It's loading. We have to open a record to see the compact layout, right? So yeah, I'm opening this particular record, and as you have seen in the presentation, this is the highlights pane, and we can see the fields defined over here. So these would be the fields which are defined in the compact layout, which has been assigned to us. So as you can see, account name, active, phone, type, and account site. Account name, active, phone, type, and account site. So these are the fields. Let me quickly edit it. Add one more field. Maybe fax again, or let's give a try on a different field. Industry. Yeah. Let me add industry. Click on save. Yep, this has saved actually, but it would take some time. So let us wait for a couple of minutes. Meanwhile, similar to page layout assignment, we can also assign the compact page layout. So when we click on this button, you can see for a specific record type, we can assign a compact layouts. So accordingly, if there are different record types, we can assign different compact layouts accordingly. So yeah, but as again, this would be same as page layouts by clicking on edit assignments and editing it. So doing so it would be the same. Let me now try to navigate back to this account record. Accounts. Yeah, going back. Yeah, you can see this account site being added, right? So that is what compact layout is about. Then finally comes the search layout. So search layout. When you click on the search layout, yeah, two things to be noted is we have a default layout. So also there will be different layouts being assigned based on the profile. Like for example, now we are the system admin profile, right? So however, we have the default layout only. So what we can do is, if you want, everybody has the default layout. If you could see over here, so if you want that default layout to be edited, we can just click on this edit button to edit this default layout. Or if you want a specific profiles layout to be edited, you can just go ahead and edit it for specific profiles. Like for example, we are the system admins, right? So I can just go ahead and edit this over here. So we can edit the search layout in both these ways. Before editing something, let's just see how this is working right now. So as you have discussed in the presentation, this would be the the layout which is available in the search page, right? So I am searching for a record, and this is an account record. So in accounts you can see all these fields displayed over here. So that is what being defined over here, correct? So let me include one more field to see whether that is being pulled out in the search page. Yeah, I'm including this rating field and clicking on save. And if you see here in search layout, yeah, you can see this being changed from default layout to the fields which are we are added manually. So this is how we will be editing the search layout page. So yeah, let us give it a couple of minutes. Meanwhile, so we have been discussing about the other uses of search layouts, right? So that can be managed using the search layouts for Salesforce Classic section. But yeah, as you could see, the list view, which where we can add buttons, lookup dialogues, the separate pop-up window which should be popped up when we click on this lookup icon. Similarly, lookup phone dialogues and search filter feeds and tab which we have defined, which we have seen in the presentations. But since these are specific to Salesforce Classic, we don't need to worry about this as of now. So yeah, just ignore this for now. But I have told you that I'll show you this how lookup fields would work, right? For that purpose, I'll just show you maybe. Again, for that, we need to navigate to Salesforce Classic UI. So let me quickly do that. Where is it? Yep, I am switching to Salesforce Classic. So if you know what opportunities and accounts are the related fields, and in opportunities you'll be able to see this account field. As you could see, yeah, this is the account field, correct? So this is the lookup icon I have been talking about. So when I click on this, this is the lookup dialog which you have been talking about. So that is how lookup dialogs would work. But again, I am just here to show you this icon since I have promised during the presentation. So just don't worry about this for now. Okay, let me now go back and try for searching this again to just make sure the search layout field changes has been yeah, you can see this, right? Rating, rating field being added over here. So yeah, this is how all these additional layouts would work. I hope you get the idea of it. Happy learning.